ज्ञान ध्यान किश कर्म न जाना, सार न जाना तेरी। सब ते वड्डा सतगुर नानक, जिन कल राखी मेरी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My honorable Sikh siblings and respectable listeners, today we will try to know who was the first person who had seen the spiritual impressive face of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. In the other words, we can say that who had seen from the first time the blessed vision of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who was the person? So this is a fundamental question for all of you and me. My six siblings, first of all we will try to know the some information briefly about the life of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who was the founder of the Sikhism. You already know Guru Nanak Dev was born in 1469 AD. What his birthday ceremony has been celebrating on the full moon day of Kartik. Kartik is a month of the Vikrami calendar, winter month. So Guru Nanak Dev's father's name is Mehta Kalyan Das. What shortly that time people called him Mehta Kalu. His father's name, the most respectable Mata Tripta. Tripta was the name of his mother, and his one sister, namely Bebe Nanki, was 5 years senior from him. Guru Nanak Dev's birthday place Rai Poe, Talwandi village in district Shekhupura, meanwhile 40 miles south west in the Lahore in Pakistan. What Guru Nanak Dev's father was originally belonged to the village Pathe Wind, near about small city Jamarai in district Amritsar. After the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, this village came to be known as Dera Sahib. Now in the current time, people are called Dera Sahib. So Guru's father went to Rai Poedi Talwandi in Pakistan. This is situated meanwhile 40 miles south west in the Lahore. So where Guru's father was went for the special service. There he served a small king and biggest landlord, namely Rai Bular, as the chief revenue accountant, in the other words, the chief tax collector. Guru Nanak Dev's father's was financial condition was very sound, and the people of the area had too much regard and respect for him. My honorable listeners, according to the culture of country, that time the birth of male child was considered to be very, very fortunate. So, after the birth of Guru Nanak Dev, when came to be known Guru's father, Mehta Kalu became very happy, too much pleased after knowing this news. So, that time midwife, you know already, midwife, the simple means a person who helps the woman to give the birth of baby, the birth of children. So the name of midwife Daulta, people were called her Daulta Dai, Dai meaning nurse, midwife. So Daulta Dai gave the astonishable, amazable some information about the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. She came out from the room and announced about the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. She said she had been seen a beam of light was flashed over the room, and she had listened some smile and sweet voices which welcomed of child, as which welcomed of child. So she was very surprised. She gave the information to Guru Nanak Dev's father and other people that she remarked some information that time. She said, these all informations was quoted by the prominent poet, namely Bhai Santokh Singh, his last name Chudamani. She had written 2 centuries ago in historical scripture, namely Sri Nanak Prakash Granth. Daulta midwives said, बहुसिस जन्मे मम कर माही, जेह अचरज कब देखियो नाही. She said, बहुसिस, many children were taken the birth in my presence. बहुसिस जन्मे मम कर माही, जेह अचरज कब देखियो नाही. She told that this kind of amazing, astonishing, I did not see before the birth of Kalu's baby. Because she said, normally all the children at the time of birth, they are normally wept and wailing at the time of birth. But Guru Nanak's child, instead of weeping and wailing, he smiled, he laughed. So she was very surprised. That time many people was known that who was born the baby at the home of Mehta Kalu, not an ordinary child, but what blessed vision baby. People started gathering at the home of Mehta Kalu. So many people were seeing the spiritual impressive face of Mehta Kalu's child. So now the fundamental question is not to be solved, because in the beginning of the speech I already told you who was the person who was the first person who had been seen the spiritual impressive face of Guru Nanak. Who was the person? So now we can say that undoubtedly the first person midwife, namely Daulta Dai. The meaning of name of Daulta, she was female, and Daulta word is come from the Persian language. The meaning of it, Daulta meaning rich, the richest person who has lot of money, who has lot of richness, who has too much wealth. That people is called Daulta in the Persian language. So what Daulta midwife, she was namely rich person, and his financial condition was very poor, and her his livelihood was going on not well. So she was only namely rich person. But after the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, according to the rituals of the people, Guru Nanak Dev's father took some precious and costly things and kept on the special plate some superior clothes and special ornaments of gold and some coins of silvers and some coins of gold kept on the plate for giving to the Daulta Dai. So that time Daulta midwife did not accept and totally disagree to take the all precious things which was offered by Guru's father. Guru's father was very amazed, surprised, and became some angry with Daulta. She said, "O Daulta, you should not have disagreed and you should not have disagreed, and you should not have done this kind of action, because you should not accept the precious thing I offered you at the time of pleasing. So this is a time of pleasing, this is a time of happiness I offered you. If all these things are not too much, I will give you many precious things, but you should not have done this kind of action because you did not accept. What is the main reason? What is cause? Why did you not accept these things? Daulta gave the astonishable answer. She said, "O my honorable Mehta," the Mehta meaning is a chief tax collector, "O Mehta Kalu, not reason. It means not I am satisfied from the offering of your things, but now I am become free from the all worldly desires after seeing the spiritual impressive face of your child. Because before seeing your child, I was namely a rich person. People are called me Daulta. But I was too much poor. My livelihood is going on not good, not well. But after seeing the blessed vision of your child, I am become a really rich person. I have gained the unique richness, unique wealth of God's blessing after seeing the face of your child. Now, not need of anything else. O my honorable Mehta Kalu, I have free from the all worldly desires. My all desires are filled after seeing the blessed vision of your son, of your baby. That time, listening these kind of words, Guru's father became too much surprised and astonished. So, now is the time, golden opportunity for all of you and me, my honorable respective listeners. So now we should do prayer before of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So, O my honorable Guru Nanak Dev Ji, like you have granted the blessed blessing and your grace over the head of midwife Daulta Dai, and you made her free from the all worldly desires. You made him free from the imprisonment of worldly desires. Similarly, O my honorable Guruji, you grant your blessing and grace over our head, and you make us free from the worldly desires. Like she was engrossed into the name of God after seeing your blessed vision, your spiritual impressive face. Similarly, you kindly grant over our head. So, undoubtedly, we can say that the first person who had been seen the blessed vision of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Daulta. She was namely a rich person, but she was too much poor, and after seeing the blessed vision of Guru Nanak Dev, she became the greatest saint. According Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, देख स्वरूप पूर्ण भई आसा, darshan पेट उत्तरी भुख. Guru Arjan Dev says that after seeing the spiritual impressive vision of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, my all worldly and spiritual desire are filled, and all kind of worldly hunger is dispelled and finished. So lastly we can say that the first person was Daulta, who had been seen from the first time the blessed vision of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So lastly I want to say, I have done many mistakes during this lecture. Oh my respectable listeners and my Sikh siblings, please pardon me, forgive me. Lastly, you speak out with loudly voice. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.